Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hey friends, in the previous topic we have discussed about the action of alkali and acid on K2Cr2O7, and now in this topic we are going to talk about the action of K2Cr2O7 on ferrous sulfate. So what is the reaction? Let me talk about that in this topic. So friends, in this topic I am going to talk about the action of acidified K2Cr2O7, that is potassium dichromate, on ferrous sulfate, that is FeSO4. So for that we have a certain reaction, and in this case we have to acidify K2Cr2O7 first. So that's the reason that I am going to talk about the first step, that is whenever K2Cr2O7 is, suppose if it is treated with 4 moles of H2SO4, and in this case basically the product that is what we could get is K2SO4 along with that is Cr2SO4 thrice, along with that is 4 moles of H2O and 3 moles of nascent oxygen atom. And because of this 3 moles of nascent oxygen, this plays a very vital role in converting the FeSO4, that is converting ferrous sulfate to ferric sulfate. So that's the reason that here basically we are going to talk about the reaction, and the reaction is basically whenever 6 moles of FeSO4, that is ferrous sulfate, whenever it is reacted with 3 moles of nascent oxygen atom along with that is 3 moles of H2SO4. So therefore the product that is what we could get is, we get 3 moles of Fe2SO4 thrice along with that of the byproduct, that is 3 moles of H2O. So this is the product that is what we could get, and this is the two-step reaction, that is what I have discussed about. So that's the reason that for the overall reaction, if we could say, then here basically this 3 moles of oxygen, this 3 moles of oxygen, this will get cancelled out. And talking about the other things, yes, now nothing will cancel out, and the product that is what we could get is Fe2SO4 thrice. But the main reactant that is what we have used and as an oxidizing agent, in this case basically K2Cr2O7, is orange red color. So therefore K2Cr2O7, if it reacts with 6 moles of FeSO4 along with that of an acidic medium, and that is basically 7 moles of H2SO4, then the product that is what we could get is, this is the main product, that is 3 moles of Fe2SO4 thrice, that is known as ferric sulfate, along with that is K2SO4 and 7 moles of H2O. So this is the solution that is what we could get, and now this, that is the orange red color solution, it will turn into a green color solution, and that makes to understand that is the reaction has happened of K2Cr2O7 with FeSO4, and that's it. So therefore this is the reaction that is what I was talking about. So thank you friends for watching this video. I hope you have understood this reaction very clearly, and I hope I'll see you next time. Till then, don't forget to subscribe Ekeeda channel. Thank you so much.